Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. House Committee of 10 to 12 members by 15 September to proceed with RP. No more new land acquisitions until new law comes out, CM states in Assembly. Prudent sting on medical test scam in GMC shocks all. Health Minister does not assure action against culprit, says can't monitor every employee. Finally, JMFC court issues arrest warrant against accused Parab family. Margao police lookout notice against Yogesh, Atmaram and Amita Parab. Vigilance is a tool to haunt opposition, says Vijay Sardesai. Officers are making money in convenience with NGOs, charges Kaitu Silva in the House. And shooter Jeetu Rai and weightlifter Satish win gold medal at Glasgow 2014. Indian team finishes empty-handed in badminton and table tennis. Now the news in details. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has said that notification regarding new Marathi Academy will be issued within 8 days. Parrikar also cleared that there will be no new land acquisition until Union Government amends the Land Acquisition Act. Government will start collecting biometric data for electronic ration cards in next 2 months. Regarding Regional Plan 2021, CM has announced to form a House Committee in September.
This regional plan should come as soon as possible.
Mr. Purturaj, तसं मनीस आहे त्यांच्या जाग्यार आणि कोण डेप्युटेशन आडी जाल्यार कितें जातलें ना जाल्यार कांय चिंची जावपा नाय.
टाउन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग RP 2021 हो अत्यंत गरजेचो, पण हो बेगीतल्या बेगीन येवपाची खूप गरज आसा.
सभागृहाची ल्हानशी कमिटी टू स्टार्ट फंक्शनिंग आफ्टर 15 सप्टेंबर अशी करता, सो दॅट तांचे कडेन चर्चा म्हणून ज्यो आयडिया एक 10-11 जाणांच्यो त्यो तांचे कडेन पावोवन I will take back response and then proceed with it. आणि आता नवीन कायद्या प्रमाणे लँड एक्विजिशन करप हें विसरा. सध्या चालू आहा ते पोन्ने लँड एक्विजिशन सोंपोवप चालू आहा. आनी एक 3-4 म्हयन्यान लँड एक्विजिशन हो विशयूच उरचो ना अनलेस द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट अमेंड्स इट. की काँग्रेसचे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट आशिल्ले पळय ते व्हर्च्युअली हात धुवन म्हज्या फाटीक लागलेले फर्स्ट 2 years. दे वेर क्रिएटिंग प्रॉब्लेम्स आफ्टर प्रॉब्लेम्स. मायनीचो जालोच, कायतूचो प्रॉब्लेम, मायनीचो प्रॉब्लेम. म्हजो सेक्रेटरी ट्रान्सफर केलो, हे वताले हांचे कोण तरी धांवतात थंय पिनी मारताले तांकां. मराठी अकॅडमी आमी स्थापन करण्याकरता ऑलरेडी कारवाई केली, म्हणून टेम्पररी 379 स्क्वेअर मीटर जागा जुनं बांबोळीचं जे गायनेक डिपार्टमेंट होतं, ज्या जागेवर नंतर गोवा इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट आलेलं आहे, त्याचा जो भाग आम्ही घेतलेला आहे ताब्यात, त्या भागापैकी 379 स्क्वेअर रायबंदर 379 स्क्वेअर मीटर जागा आज त्याची, आणि पुढच्या 8 दिवसात अकॅडमीची एक्झिक्युटिव्ह घोषणाही होईल. पण मराठीचेर अन्याय जावंक दिवचो ना हाची झगडी हांव गरज पडल्यार कोंकणीन करतलो. दाबोळी इज अ इशू वीच इज विथ द सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट. वी आर ट्रायंग टू गेट द एअरपोर्ट सारको जावंक ना, ही गजाल बरी आहा. प्रोबॅबली द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर रॅन अवे. आय थिंक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक तो कोण ऑर्डर दिला तो चर्चीला सारकोच आसूंक जाय.
Prudent expose on medical test scandal in GMC shocked all. Prudent sting operation had shown how a government servant outsourced GMC patients to private labs. 24 hours have passed, but Health Department is in no mood to act against the culprits. Health Minister and Medical Superintendent claim to have seen the lab assistant corrupt side in Prudent's sting operation, but they do not given any concrete assurance to act. Minister Parrikar says he cannot monitor thousands of employees in GMC. This incident has punctured government's zero tolerance claim.
तुमकां लक्षात येतलें की जे कोण करप्ट आहा पळय, सप्टेंबर पर्यंत बरेच जाण घरा वतले, हे लक्षात धरा. हांव ओगी रावचो ना, खरेंच सांगता. I am personally monitoring, and by September I will see that those who are corrupt, none of them will survive. आणि कृपा करून 40 जाणांक साष्टांग नमस्कार 39 जाणांक साष्टांग नमस्कार घालता. म्हजेर करप्ट मनशाक वाचोवपाक प्रेशर घालपाक येवं नाका. हांव ह्या कानान आयकतलो, त्या कानांच्यान सोडून दितलो. हांव स्ट्रेट सांगता, कसोच सोडचो ना.
Chief Minister Manor Parrikar says that guilty wouldn't be spared, but it has been 24 hours since Prudent sting in which this lab assistant at the GMC in neurology department is clearly outsourcing GMC patients to private labs is yet to receive a bitter dose from the government. There is no sign of action against him by the health department. Congress raised this issue in the House demanding action against such traitor within department.
आज टीव्हीचेर प्रुडंटान एक स्कॅम केला ब्लडाचे. तितून आय थिंक मिनिस्टरान पासून जबाब दिल्या. हांव कोणाकूच हें करूना जबाब दिल्या की आपल्याच्यान हें करूंक जायना म्हणून की देर इज नो टायम, आय कॅनॉट गो आफ्टर एवरीथिंग म्हणून. इज गिवन ए रिप्लाय. आय थिंक दीस टायप ऑफ कंप्लेन्स एज स्पीकर शूड पब्लीक ग्रीवन्सीस सेलान डायरेक्ट काडपा जाय. ब्लड एक्झामिनेशन स्कॅम आज टीव्हीचे. So that's part 2 केल तेणी. They have taken a sting operation second time.
Even Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar admits of watching lab assistants misdeed in Prudent sting operation that was aired on Sunday. But still the lab assistant is yet to face the ire of department heads. No action, no inquiry is initiated against this dalal of private path labs.
I will find out who is the person and we are there to take initiate action. जो खाता थंयच घाण करता, he deserves punishment. He or she, however strong he may be, however influential he may be, तेजेर बडी बसूंक जाय. हांव पळयता, I was disappointed. GMC ही गजाल, पण can't help न्ही. 4000 लोक आसात, 4000 प्रकारचे मेंदू आसात. It is the representation of the society.
Medical Superintendent of GMC Sunanda Amunkar has also seen Prudent sting operation and lab assistants scandalous act. When we asked Medical Superintendent about their next move, she said, I have watched sting operation on lab assistant on Prudent, but to initiate inquiry, I will have to watch it again and prepare a report accordingly. For that, I need the CD. Meanwhile, Congress has demanded sacking of Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar.
हॉस्पिटलांतले जे स्टाफ आसा, कोणाचे आशीर्वाद इतले गट्स केन्नाच दाखोवचे ना ते. कारण हे तर ल्हान मोहरे जे स्टाफ असतात ते कोणाचे आशीर्वाद असल्या शिवाय असले इतले गट्साचेर असले काम करचे नात. सो काँग्रेस पार्टी डिमांड करता की एक तर मुख्यमंत्र्यान स्वता लक्ष घालचे खात्यान आनी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचे स्वास्थ बिगडलेले आसा ते परत जाग्यार हाडचे. ना जर जाल्यार हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचो मंत्री आसा ताजे कडल्यान पोर्टफोलियो काढून कोण तरी सक्षम आशिल्लो मनशाक पोर्टफोलियो दिवचो.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Margao police has issued lookout notice against accused in Vedashri suicide case Yogesh Parab, Atmaram Parab and Amita Parab. JMFC court has issued warrants against all three, proclaiming them as offenders for evading arrest. Accused Parab family has moved the High Court for an anticipatory bail. High Court will hear their plea on Thursday.
Even after 13 days of Vedashri suicide case, Madgaon police has no clue about whereabouts of the accused Yogesh Parab, Atmaram Parab or Amita Parab. Of these three accused, one is traffic PSI. Irony is, police are tracking the accused colleague. On the other hand, all accused on Monday filed an anticipatory bail application before the High Court. They have also advertised 12-day remembrance of Vedashri and her daughter. Mother of victim Vedashri has also filed intervention petition before the High Court to oppose their plea for bail. The High Court will hear this matter on Thursday. Failed to trace any accused in Vedashri suicide case, Madgaon police has issued lookout notice against Parab family and Madgaon JMFC court has issued arrest warrant against them. Madgaon police is also in the process to get declared accused Parab trio absconders. Madgaon JMFC court is due to hear Madgaon police's application in this regard. SP Shekhar Prabhudesai also said that once the court declares them absconders, their properties can be attached if they do not surrender.
Today we have approached court to issue non-bailable warrant in the case.
Non-bailable warrant
against the accused.
So what is going to be in further in that?
Let court decide.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.